Disable USB debugging option on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we're going to learn how we can disable USB debugging on our Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you wish to disable the USB debugging option on your Android device, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. Just like how you enabled that, you simply have to open up settings to disable it again and locate the developer option setting on your Android phone. In my case, on the case of Samsung Galaxy device, if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, there I will find developer options. Yours could be inside software version and so on. Now once you've enabled developer options and then you go inside it, over here you can simply scroll and look for the option USB debugging. And in order to turn it off, you simply have to turn off the toggle to disable USB debugging option on Android device. This way you can disable USB debugging option on Android device. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon as always in the next video.